Today we are discussing about the lens formula, lens maker formula and power of lens. Today we are discussing about it. So first of all, what is the lens formula? What is the lens formula? Lens formula says 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. It is lens formula. Here f is focal length. Focal length. And v is image distance. V is image distance. U is object distance. Object distance. So it is the lens formula. Already you know that either convex or concave lens, object distance is always taken negative. So focal length where it is taken positive and where it is taken negative. And further, especially it is in convex lens. Convex lens is taken positive. Convex lens of the focal length of a convex lens is positive and focal length of a concave lens is negative. It is the focal length of convex lens. Focal length of convex lens is taken positive and concave lens is taken negative. Okay, next lens maker's formula. Next what we discuss about the second one is lens maker's formula. What is lens maker's formula? Lens maker's formula. What is lens maker's formula? 1 by f is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. It is the formula of lens maker formula. Here is also the f is the focal length. F is focal length and n or mu. In further studies, intermediate studies, mu is the refractive index showing the denoted symbol. Especially 10th class, n means the refractive index, mu or n is a refractive index Ri. Next R1. R1 is the first radius of curvature. First radius of curvature. And R2 is second radius of curvature. It is the second one. F is the focal length and n is the refractive index and R1 is the first radius of curvature and R2 is the second radius of curvature. We are discussing about the power of lens. Power of lens. What is power of lens? Power of lens means the reciprocal of the focal length. The reciprocal of the focal length is called a power of lens. It is denoted by the letter P. Okay, P equal to 1 by f in meters or 100 by f in centimeters. P equal to 1 by f in meters or 100 by f in centimeter. After that, what is the relation between these two? Inversely proportional. That means what you are understanding, inversely proportional means if one is maximum, another one is minimum. If one is doubled, another one is half. So here for example, f is doubled. F is doubled means f is 2f. Then p is half. If f is doubled, then p is half. If f is 3 times increase, then p is p by 3. Okay na? So it is the power of lens. Here asking previous examination, doctor advised a 1D lens. You know that D is the unit of power of lens. D is the diopter. What is that? Diopter. It is the power of lens unit is diopter. So it is denoted the letter D. Doctor advised that 1D lens. What is its focal length? Focal length means already 1D lens means 100 centimeter or 1 meter. Doctor advised a 2D lens. It is 50 centimeter or 0.5 meters. Doctor advised a 3D lens. 3D means then substitute by 100 by 3. That means 33.33 centimeters or 0.33 meters. Doctor advised a 4D normal vision 4D diopters. So is equal to 25 centimeters or 0.25 meters. Okay, convex lens, power of lens, convex lens power is always taken positive and concave lens is taken negative. Okay, so after that, power of lens after we discuss about the combining power. What is the combining power? That means, for example, here two lenses. It is the one of the convex lens and it is the one of the another convex lens. These two convex lenses are contact to each other. So contact to each other, then find the focal length 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Focal length equal. So focal length converted into power of lens, P is equal to what we write? P1 plus P2. It is the power of lens and it is the focal length relation. When it is taken, when two lenses are in contact. So write the focal length. Focal length equal to 1 by f equal to the combination of both focal lengths 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. That means 1 by f, already you know that 1 by f means power of lens. So 1 by f place we write P is equal to P1 plus P2. Okay, it is when it is taken this formula, when the two lenses are in contact. For example, these two lenses are separated by a d distance. These two lenses are, for example, it is the convex lens and it is the another convex lens. These two lenses are separated by a d distance. Then find the focal length. 1 by f is equal to, I write the formula is 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus how much distance it is? D distance by f1 f2. It is the formula. When we take this formula, when these two lenses are separated at a d distance, so d distance, then focal length 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1, it is f1 focal length and it is f2 focal length. Then we write 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus d by f1 f2. This one converted into power of lens. 1 by f means power, P is equal to 1 by f1 means P1, 1 by f2 means P2. Next, D into, it is P1, P2. 1 by f1 means P1, 1 by f2 means P2. So it is the, this one, when the two lenses are separated at a distance, d distance, then we take the power of lenses is P1 is P is equal to P1 plus P2 minus D into P1 P2. As focal length is 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus D by f1 f2. Okay, understand? Next we go to another one. We take the another lens. What is the another lens here? Convex lens, for example. Again you take the convex lens. It is the one of the convex lens. Okay, here what you know that it is focus and it is center of curvature and it is another focus and it is another center of curvature have. Here asking, a convex lens of the focal length is cutting into two equal halves. A convex lens focal length is cutting into two equal halves along the principal axis. Along the principal axis, if focal length becomes, no change. That means if f is f, no change at all. When it is no change at all, when a convex lens of the focal length is cutting into two equal halves. Two equal halves where it is along the principal axis. Along the principal axis, F becomes remains same. F remains same. F remains same means P also. P will not change. P is no change. Okay, you understand why it is P? P does not change. F is stable. F will not change. So then P also no change. It is the first one. When it is taken, it is the one of the convex lens. Okay, na? A convex lens of a focal length. A convex lens of a focal length is cut with two equal halves along the principal axis. Then focal length becomes no change. Then P also, P means power of lens also no change. And second one is when the convex lens is cut with two equal halves again. A convex lens of a focal length, it is cut with two equal halves along the aperture or vertical axis. Along the vertical axis. Then F is equal to 2F. F equal to 2F. That means what you are understanding? Focus is double. When it is double, a convex lens is cut with two equal halves along with vertical axis. Then focal length is double. And that situation, focal length is taken double. So double means P is equal to half. P by 2. P is equal to P by 2. It is the important point. Okay, now next the focal length for different lenses. So first of all, biconvex lens. Biconvex lens, already you know that R1 is taken positive and R2 taken negative. It is the biconvex lens. Here given the refractive index value n is equal to 1.5 is given. Then you find the focal length. Already you do this problem. A double convex lens have the two equal radii. A double convex lens have the two equal radii. Then you find the focal length. So what you know that R1 value plus R and R2 value minus R. These two values are substituted in lens maker formula. 1 by F equal to n minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. We got the formula is F equal to R by 2 into n minus 1. F equal to R by 2 into n minus 1. Already n value, you know that refractive index of glass is 1.5 or 3 by 2. So 1.5 minus 1, 0.5. 1.5 cut with 1, 0.5. Again 0.5 multiplied by 2, 1. So F equal to, here focal length F is equal to R. Where it is? Biconvex lens focal length is equal to the, that means focal length equal to R. Next second one, R means radius of curvature. Next one is biconcave lens. Biconcave lens, we take R1 is minus R and R2 is plus R. It is the conditions. So again, these two also substitute in lens maker formula. Again we got the formula F is equal to minus R by 2 into n minus 1. F equal to minus R by 2 into n minus 1. So you got formula F is equal to minus R. Focal length equal to minus radius of curvature. Next third one is plano-convex. Plano-convex lens. So plano-convex lens means here R1 is taken infinity and R2 taken minus R. R2 taken minus 1. Again these two values are substituted in same equation. We got the formula F equal to R by n minus 1 only. So substitute the n value is 1.5. We got the answer F equal to 2R. F equal to 2R. And next one is plano-concave. Plano concave. Plano concave lens. Again R1 is negative infinity and R2 is taken for plus R. So again these two values are again substituted in lens maker formula. So we got the focal length f is equal to minus r by n minus 1. Then f is equal to minus 2r. It is the focal length difference. Okay, biconvex lens, biconcave lens and plano-convex lens and plano-concave lens. Focal length, biconvex lens focal length is equal to the radius of curvature. Here biconcave lens focal length equal to minus radius of curvature. Next focal length equal to double of the radius of curvature. Here also focal length equal to minus 2r, minus double of the radius of curvature. Okay, tomorrow remaining we discuss about it. Okay, who are watching my videos, please subscribe. Okay, right, Nana, thank you, bye.